You can use Pixel's Face Unlock feature to unlock your phone, sign into apps, and authenticate purchases. To set up Face Unlock on your Pixel phone, swipe up to see your apps. Tap Settings. Scroll down, then tap Security and Privacy. Tap Device Unlock, then tap Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Enter your PIN. Tap Face Unlock. Scroll down to review more information. When you're done, tap I agree. Tap Start, then follow the prompts on the screen. Tap Done. Now you can use your face to unlock your phone or verify it's you. To use Face Unlock, position the screen in front of your face. If you're having trouble with Face Unlock, try removing accessories, such as sunglasses, or moving into a brighter spot if you're in a dark environment.